and all. Today we are going to deal with the chapter which is whole numbers. So what exact is the whole numbers? So what are the arithmetic operations we'll be doing with these whole numbers? And what are the different kinds of properties in the whole numbers? We are going to look into this in this chapter. So without wasting a single minute of time, let's move into the chapter. Yes, you people know that it is chapter 3 in our textbook. So before going into the whole numbers, I'll be explaining you what exactly is a natural number. As every student in the class knows this one, but once again I'll be saying it. A natural number is nothing but we'll be calling it as counting numbers. All counting numbers will be calling it as natural numbers. For example, how many benches are there in the classroom? You'll start counting it from 1, 2, 3, 4. Otherwise, how many books are there in your bag? You'll start counting from 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So the smallest natural number is 1, and the largest natural number is undefined, or we call it as infinite. So now, this natural number system is denoted with capital letter N. This natural number is denoted with the capital letter N. And the next thing is nothing but, you people may be wondering, sir, there is one more digit named it as 0. Why you are not considering the 0 in the natural numbers? Definitely you will be getting this doubt. There is a reason behind that. So, what I said before itself, natural numbers are nothing but counting numbers. When early man used to count the numbers, for him there is no need of representing nothing. Why? Because he didn't think about nothing. So that is why 0 is not there. An Indian mathematician has introduced a new symbol for nothing. That is nothing else but than 0. So Indian mathematician has introduced a new number or a new digit called 0. So we are adding a new digit here. So I cannot insert that one in the existing number system. So that is why what the mathematicians have done is they have created a new number system called whole numbers. That is what we are going to learn about. So whole numbers. So whole numbers including 0. So whole numbers are nothing but natural numbers including 0 are called as whole numbers. It is denoted with capital W. So now, in that case, smallest natural number is 1 and largest natural number is undefined as we discussed. Here, the smallest whole number will be 0 and the greatest whole number will be as usual undefined. So what is the main difference between a natural number and a whole number? It is nothing but 0, nothing. We will be representing nothing. So we'll be doing all basic arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, as we are doing in the natural numbers itself. But what is the major change in this one? We'll be coming to know in the upcoming classes. It is based on the properties. We will be having different kinds of properties. We'll be discussing in the upcoming class over there. Okay. So next, you people are well aware about the successor and predecessor. Let's have a recall about what is successor and what is predecessor. Yes, I said the difference between natural number and whole number. You can see in the form of diagram over here. Yes, let's go into the successor and predecessor. So the number which comes just before a particular number is called as predecessor. For example, I'm having 125. What is the predecessor of 125? Yes, it is nothing but 124. How will be getting? Just will be subtracting 1 from the number which we are thinking. Whatever number it is, will be subtracting 1 from that. Now, I am having a small doubt. What is the smallest whole number? 0. Does 0 have any predecessor? 0 minus 1, how much it is? So up to now, we don't know what is 0 minus 1. as your students of grade 6. So in whole numbers, 0 does not have any predecessor. Why? Because it is the smallest whole number. In the same manner, what is the predecessor of 1 in natural numbers? So if you say 0, you are wrong. Why? Because 0 does not belong to natural number. I asked in the natural number set. So 1 does not have predecessor in natural number set. 0 does not have predecessor in whole number set. I'm talking about regarding the natural numbers and whole numbers. In natural number, 1 does not have any predecessor. Why? Because it is the smallest natural number. Yes, in whole numbers, 1 will be having a predecessor, which is nothing but 0 over there. In whole numbers, we are having predecessor for 1. In natural numbers, we are not having it. In the same manner, 0 does not have any predecessor in the whole numbers. Successor, the number which comes immediately of a particular number is called a successor. For example, what is the successor of 9? Immediately we'll be saying it as 10. Very good. 9 plus 1. In predecessor, we are doing minus 1. In the successor, we are doing plus 1. Yes, it is very good. So, now I will be asking a small question, which is nothing but, is there any unique digit successor of the 9 for 9? Is there any unique digit successor for 9? No, the successor which will be coming will be 10. So we cannot have a unique digit successor. So this is the concept of successor and predecessor. So predecessor means we have to do minus 1. Successor means we have to do plus 1. So this is the relation between the predecessor and successor. The difference between predecessor and successor of any number, whatever number you take, it will be 2. The difference between predecessor and successor of any number will be 2. Why? Because you can see the position where the number is there and what is his successor and what is his predecessor. He is represented in red color and the number has been represented over there. So if I consider the green block as number 3, then obviously the predecessor will be 2 and the successor will be 4. So they're asking us to find the difference between the successor and predecessor. So what will be getting? 4 minus 2, that is equal to 2. You can keep n number of examples by doing this. Okay, students, we'll meet in the next video. Thank you.